before high school start this fall. Come on, everybody. So stick with us, cause Daniel always gonna do it all. So stick with us, cause Daniel always gonna do it all. Dad, Daniel O's making a title sequence. Does this speaker make me sound like Daniel? Hey everybody, I'm Daniel, and I'm with my cousins today. And I'm gonna have the speaking, just like Josh was barfing. That was very funny. And I'm gonna have a good time with all of them. But I need your help. Will you help me watch my cousins? Thanks. And don't get barf all over yourself.
Me to make any egg.
Any make the best. Don't mind me.
Next time I make you
ever.
You can't keep calling me.
Let me try one. I'm gonna try something.
Why are you taking
Why
a
are you
picture?
taking a picture?
I'm not taking a picture, man.
You take
No.
Josh made the coolest waffle batter ever. He did not even measure it, but that's very cool. Hey everyone, I'm Daniel, and this is the voice repeater. Hello everybody.
Okay, they wish me that I'm happy at. What I eat is the bushmeat has been prepared. Prepared. I said it's the bushmeat. You say you rather have orangutan. I'm not buying orangutan.
The speaker was speaking very loudly. He's been saying funny words. Looks like here comes another speaker saying the same words again. Hey everyone, I'm Daniel, and this is the voice repeater. Hello everybody.
Okay, they wish me that I'm happy at. What I eat is the bushmeat has been prepared. Prepared. I said it's the bushmeat. You say you rather have orangutan. I'm not buying orangutan.
Hey everyone, I'm Daniel, and this is the voice repeater. Hello everybody.
Okay, they wish me that I'm happy at. What I eat is the bushmeat has been prepared. Prepared. I said it's the bushmeat. You say you rather have orangutan. I'm not buying orangutan.
I had fun with the speaker and with my cousins today. What was your favorite part? Yeah, the funny words my cousin said on the speaker and the food. Bye bye everyone. Happy Daniel Mother's Day. Hey everybody, I'm Daniel, and today's Mother's Day. So, I'm gonna have the best Mother's Day with my grandma and all my families. I need your help. Will you help me have a great Mother's Day? Thanks. This is a card for Grandma. This is bread and egg. Hey everybody, I'm Daniel. So, you know how bread and egg are good, see? Mmm, mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Mmm. Mmm, so good. Maybe this dress will look good for Mother's Day. No, I bet this dress would. Or maybe this dress. No. Yes, this blue one. The prettiest blue dress of all. Mom. Hi, Mommy. Hi there, Daniel. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you. You too. I got big plans for you and me. Ooh, what kind of plans? To the park. Start having fun, Mom? Me too, yeah. Hey, I like the slide, seesaw, and all of them. What about you, Mom? Ooh, I like the other slides and the umbrella there too. Let's go do some more stuff. Ooh, hey, Mommy. Let's go to the skate park. Yeah, that's the perfect thing to celebrate our Mother's Day together. Wow, Mommy, we made it to the skate park. Let's ride. But first, we have to get our helmets on. Wow, nice. Hey everybody, I'm Daniel. So, you know how these good fries are good? See? Mmm, 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 mmm. Mmm, so delicious fries. Mom, I'm hungry. Let's have some spaghetti. Mmm, yummy spaghetti. This is the best Mother's Day ever. I really had the best 2026 Mother's Day ever with Mom. What was your favorite part? Yeah, the food, the rides, and everything. See you soon, everyone, and happy Mother's Day!